this is how I'm able to make $900 a month absolutely for free. Literally, my rent gets paid for month after month from just e-commerce drop shipping and e-commerce information product. And literally, it's super simple. Like if you have a store already and you're already physically making like sales and stuff through like Facebook ads, you're missing out on a great big chunk of money that's kind of just slipping through your fingers as we speak. Because if you implement this thing that I'm about to teach you, it'll take your business from what it is now times 10 times 100. Depends how well you do it, and it is a really easy way to do it. I can explain to that in maybe a different video. If you comment below if you want me to explain how to do it, I will explain how to do it. But I just want to let you know that if you implement recurring income into your business, you will realize really quickly that you're missing out on a lot of money that you could be making right now. Like you're wasting your resources, acquiring a customer and then not upselling them on certain products, but specifically a product like anything that can be recurring. Like let's say here I have a coffee mug right here. Let's say I'm selling coffee mugs, right? That people like coffee because they're buying a coffee mug, particularly probably for their coffee they're going to be drinking in the morning. But what if once they bought the coffee mug, you offer them a delivery service of a bag of coffee, like if your premium coffee, every single month you're going to send them a different bag. So like, let's say you're selling the coffee mug on the front end, right? And your coffee mug costs $5 and you're selling it for $20, and you can acquire a customer for $15, and now, quote unquote, you're breaking even and Facebook's not working, you're not actually making money doing it. However, that's not true, because if you really got to implement the back end, and the back end would be, selling them more products or selling them into a subscription service to send them coffee grounds, or your premium coffee grounds every single month. And you can have every month can be a different flavor, but you're not going to tell them what the flavor is or whatever. It's going to be a different, richness of the coffee or whatever it is, something unique that keeps people in the program. And let's say you can acquire 1,000 people for, I'm not doing the math here, but 1,000 people for $5,000, right? That's going to be your complete break even. You spend $5,000, but you also acquired 1,000 customers at a break even level. And now let's say you send them through an email sequence or whatever, because you're going to collect their email most likely when they get a sale, right? When you get a sale through your store. But let's say you send an email campaign after they actually buy it, and the email campaign goes something like, hey, blah, 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 this is me, this is my brand, and I'm offering a premium subscription service for my coffee every month. I really think that you should try it. I'll give you the first bag for free, even if you really want to do that. And let's say you mark up the price to $20, I don't know, you make it so you actually profit $20, make it profit $30, whatever it is. But then out of the 1,000 people, what if, I don't know, 5% actually purchase it, right? No, even 10%. 10% is probably a good number. So now you have 100 people. You have 100 people giving you $20, $30 every single month through the break-even ad that you had. So one thing you need to understand is that breaking even on your Facebook ads, or breaking even on the front end of your product, it's actually very, very, very profitable, because once you understand that you can sell them things, you can sell them more things, they're more likely to buy from you because they already purchased from you in the first time. This is called lifetime value of a customer. If you don't understand what that is, I can make a video that's very, very simple. But lifetime value basically is what a customer is going to be for you once you acquire them. Like if you spend let's say if you spend $50 to acquire someone, but you only made $45, it doesn't matter that you lost money on the front end, because the lifetime value of a customer might be $100. So, maybe in a couple months from now, you're actually going to make an extra $50 from that one customer you acquired 3 months back. But yeah, so what I'm trying to say here is, if you're missing out on money, like you're really missing out on money if you don't actually try to email your customer afterwards to get them to a subscription plan in order to really 10x your business and 10 times your profits, which is really what the goal is here. I mean, obviously it's to make the customer happy, but to, really get your customer to want to, get on a subscription service with you in the future, that's huge. Because you can literally be sitting, your business can fail, that your Facebook ads can completely go out, and you'll be sitting in your room not knowing how to pay for rent, or you're not going to know how to pay for your next food or whatever. But you know that you have a couple hundred people on your recurring revenue service. So inevitably, you're going to be making money that month. Your Facebook ads are stopped. Your business is shut down. But inevitably, you're going to be making money. And that's the way you need to look at it. You need to look at it like right now, you're losing on money. You're completely free in money. I'm not spending anything on ads anymore. And I'm making $600-700 a month. That's my profit, $600 and $700 a month before any expenses. So I would really appreciate if you like this, subscribe this video. I'm just starting out here, so I'm gonna try to get a fan base going, kind of get a community going. So if you want to be a part of the community, you want to start now, I can mentor you, I can help you, I can do whatever you want me to do. I'm here for you. If you like, subscribe, it would mean a lot. And let's kill it in Ecom, guys.